Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can make money online on Truelancer.com as a freelancer. So if you have any type of digital skill, then you can go here and create your free account. So you can go to sign up button, and then here you can create a free account. So you can also create account by using your Gmail account, and also you can create account using Facebook. Then after creating account, you can go back and let me log in into my account, this one truelancer.com. So this one is my student account. Now let me go to dashboard, and then let me go here and click on my service. So now here I need to add one service. Here you can see sell service. Under the sell services, then you can click on sell service. Now here you can add title. So let me go back here, and here I have generated some description for this gig. Now let me copy description and add here. Now here you can add cost, so let me add here 80. Then you can select the time when you can deliver your project, so let me select 1 day. Then scroll down, and here you can type some instructions. Please give me access to the website. After that you can select the category. So let me select this one, IT and programming, then web development, this one, and here let me search for WordPress, this one. Then you can add keywords, but this is optional. Now you can add here gig thumbnail, so let me select this one, and here you can see image is uploading. After that you can accept terms and conditions, then click on post service. Okay, now service is pending and it will be approved after few hours. So here you will see all the details about your service. So how many buyers have purchased your service, and you will also get feedback from the buyers. So make sure that you have completed your profile before adding new services. So thank you for watching.